Welcome to Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to show you how to secure your files in a folder and put a password on the folder so that nobody can get access to files that you have that might be confidential. So there could be some secret information in there and you want to make sure that nobody who gets on your computer can look at those files. So if we look at our computer here, in our documents folder, I've put a few sample files here. And let's say we want to make all of these files inaccessible to anybody on this computer. What we would do is on the desktop, you can create a new folder. So just go to File and New Folder, or Command-Shift-N, and then give the folder any name you want. There we go. And then we'll drag our files into this folder. Okay, so if we open this folder, we see all of our files are now in there. Now, there's no real way to add a password by right-clicking on the folder. There's nothing really we can do in here. But it's quite easy actually if you go into your utilities folder. So the first thing is to open Disk Utility in the utilities folder. Now, one way to do that is to go into your applications, scroll down to the bottom to find utilities, open that up, and go to Disk Utilities. Another way that might be easier for you is just open the Spotlight search and just start typing disk, and then Disk Utility app will come right up. Then you can just double click on that. Now once Disk Utility is open, then go to the File menu and choose New Image and choose New Image from Folder. And here a menu will pop up and you can guide it to where you've stored your folder. So in this case, we've put our folder on the desktop. So we see it right here. We can click that, click Choose. And now we have the option of creating a disk image. We can call it whatever we want. So I'm going to leave it as the name Secret Stuff. And then here is where we add the password. We choose the type of encryption on there. Now 128-bit encryption is usually just fine, unless it's highly confidential military secrets or medical data. I wouldn't worry about going to 256. 128-bit will definitely secure your files perfectly. And then we choose a password here. Now this is a password that you're choosing, and it will be the password to open this disk image from here on in. And it's important that you don't forget this password, because if you do, there's no way to really crack it and get back into that disk image again. So be very careful that you know and remember this password. So hit Choose, and then here we want to pick the image format. If you want to be able to add new things in there, I would choose a read-write format. That will allow you to add new files in, create folders in there, and so on. You can even delete things out of there when you're finished. Hit Save, and then you can click on this triangle if you want to see more information about what's happening as the disk image is being created. So it'll happen fairly quickly depending on your encryption level. The 256 encryption will take a bit longer than 128, but this has happened quickly. We hit Done. And from here, we can quit Disk Utility. And so now we have our original folder here and our disk image with our stuff in that we've encrypted. Now the whole idea is this still doesn't have a password on it. So you want to get rid of that by dragging it into the trash and emptying the trash. So now the files still exist, but they're in this Secret Stuff disk image. Double click on that and enter the password that you chose when you made it. Now I would recommend not clicking on Remember Password in My Keychain, because that will kind of defeat the purpose of securing your folder here. Because if you click that, If somebody's on your computer, the keychain remembers the password and it'll just open up the disk image automatically. So I would recommend do not click that. Click on OK, and it will mount a disk, what looks like an external disk, that's really just accessing this disk image here. Double click on that, and you should see your files are all inside. Now here, we should be able to change the view if we want, and we can even make a new folder inside. And you can add and change files and so on. You can look at any of the files in here, open them in their respective programs and edit them. So now you have a fully confidential, secured and encrypted disk image made from the folder of files that you want to secure in the first place. So these can be any kind of files you want. It can be Microsoft Office files, it could be sound files, movies, pictures, documents, and so on. So it's quite easy to do. When you're finished and you want to get this off of your desktop so that no one else can access it, just pick it up and drag it down to the trash. You'll see the trash icon. Once you start dragging, it turns into an eject icon. So you're not deleting the file, you're just ejecting it off the desktop. And your folder is still here. So next time you need to access it, again, just double click on it, type in your password, and you're ready to go. Well, I hope you found this tip useful, and if you did, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. We have more tips coming up in the future. And also, share this video with your friends. If anyone needs to secure files on their desktop, make sure you send it to them so that they can learn how. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.